Hi all, good morning. This is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a customized calculations or calculation field for the specific use of a business. Basically, even calculator field is something that very generic, but ideally, like sometimes it becomes very generic. Okay. Now let's start with creating a sample now. We have been already created the unit price, and this is kind of an example of it. Let's do it here. What I'm doing, I'm just going to produce a unit price. Let's take let me recreate it here so that you can understand it better. I'm just creating a calculated field, and then I'm saying that it is basically unit price. Cool. And then it's basically in kind of an average unit price, so which is been like I'm producing with the help of sum of sales that is been getting generated divided by sum of the quantity that is being actually sold. Simple as that. If this is the case, then the unit price is getting generated. Cool. Look at here, the unit price is getting generated, which is very specific to the need of business here. Simple as that. Now if I choose the ship date, I think I can go for rows. I'll go with year, maybe like go for a continuous value. Quarter, month, let it be the month level data. Now on top of it, let it be a text. Cool. Then yeah, so this is what we have been getting each and every month for each and every year. Cool. Now on top of this, I have something called profit. Let's take profit, and then I wanted to understand the unit price of it. Cool. Look at it here. In January 2014, on an average of the sales they made, the average unit price is basically becomes 49. But ideally, like, think of it, maybe I don't want a unit price to be included now, I would plot it now. Cool. Look at it here. So this becomes the overall month level data for each and every month. Okay, maybe month is not supporting. I would go with quarters at least of, yeah, this makes sense. Now look at it here, each and every quarters data I have, and then like I've created the simple bar chart. On top of this, I wanted to add the unit price. Let me add the colors to it. Look at it here. For the quarter of 2016, quarter 4, yeah, it's been actually the unit price is greater. Somewhere 66 is what it has been averagely sold, irrespective of segment or something. But look at it, the inference comes in here. Cool. So each and every year, the quarter 3 is actually performing better. Cool. Then yeah, so this kind of inference is actually produced with the help of the field that we have created. Now parallelly, like I wanted to add this one into size then to understand it even better. Maybe like size is not maybe making a sense. Colors, and then I would change the color to edit color, and then I would choose a different conversion. If it is low, let it be a red color, so red to green should work. Cool. Then yeah, let it be a 5-step color. Cool. Then yeah, so it making sense. Look at it here. Yep. So the only one which has the lowest unit price is basically the 2018 quarter 1. Each and rest of the things is actually working better comparing with the other scenarios. This inference is actually being generated with the help of unit price, which we generated from the raw data. This is what kind of an idea of creating a customized calculation fields depends on the business. Simple as that. Cool. Then so do create your own calculation fields. Cool. Then yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.